welcome to my presentation. Massive stress from class 10th real economic branch, and today we are going to explore something that is really fascinating, something that you see almost every day but never fully understand. That is never ending the science behind satellites. We will break the topic into step by step with simple explanation, interesting examples, and a few fun facts along the way. By the end, I assure you that you will look at the topic in a completely new way. This topic is all about understanding the motion in space. Satellites seems like they are floating, but actually they are in continuous motion. Once you understand how gravity and motion works together, the answer becomes clear. Gravity is the force that attracts everything towards itself. This is why whenever we drop something, it always falls down. This same gravity also attracts satellites towards itself. So here the question arises that if satellites are attracted by Earth, then why don't they fall down on the Earth? So here comes the key for our topic's understanding. Satellites are launched with an extremely high speed. This speed carries them forward even though they are in space. So whenever gravity attracts them, this speed carries them forward. You will be surprised to know that the satellites are always dropping. They just keep missing the Earth because the surface beneath them curves out. So instead of crashing on the Earth, they follow an circular orbit. To understand the topic, let's take a simple example from daily life. If I throw a stone gently, it will fall nearby. If I throw it faster, it will fall further. If the stone would be thrown with fast enough, then it would keep missing the ground until infinity. But the same principle is used by satellites to revolve in the space. But there is no air resistance in the space which would slow the satellites down. Just like on Earth, moving objects are slowed down by air resistance. Here comes the interesting part. Some satellites have been launched for about 60 years ago, but they are still orbiting around the Earth. This shows how stable and efficient motion of satellites really are. So in conclusion, I would say that satellites don't fall down on Earth because of the balance of two forces, that are gravitational force and the motion. These forces balance each other, and because of that, the satellites always keep encircling the Earth but never fall on it. Science seems complicated, but when we understand it step by step, it becomes really beautiful and logical. So thank you for watching my presentation. Hope you would like it, and if you have liked it, please support and share. Thank you.